Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you an update tutorial on how to add like monsters and stuff to your game thingy, whatever the fuck it's called. So first off, go to my Discord called Dreadroot. It'll be right here. This is the old tutorial, do not follow this. This tutorial's very bad, very poo-poo. But yeah. This is where I put my stuff. You get this one. Yeah, I don't know if Discord nor is YouTube. Sorry, it gone out, so who the fuck cares? And this script right here. So first off, get a gorilla. Just like make a simple animation with it. Make sure you put the animation on a metal rig. It doesn't really matter what you call it. Forearm, just. You can add like little shaky heads as well. Doesn't always have to be like very thingy, whatever it's fucking called. Spazzy, as I say, like goes all over the place. You don't need to do that. In my opinion, it just makes it less scary. It's simple animation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of my own monster faces. Well, not mine, but I found them on a Discord server. I'll put the credits in the description. Make sure you always put on point no filter. Material. Create a new material. Put whatever on. I'll just do this one. Actually, no, I'll do this one. Remember, you can just upgrade your tiling a little bit. It doesn't always have to be the same. Keep it like that. Also create a new material for like fur. So like that. You can either set it up in your prefab right here, or you can do it actually like in game. I'm just gonna do it in the prefab. So come here. First off, add a rigid body. This makes it so it can like move and stuff. Put these constraints on. Put in continuous dynamic. Oh yeah, also put the mass as 0.5. Next off, capsule collider. Make sure you put it to like whatever side you need. Remember to never put it on edge trigger, or else your monster will just fall off the map. Next up is the actual enemy controller. Here's the enemy controller. Just remember, credit this guy. Put a move speed at anything, so I'm just gonna do that. Next up, the enemy controller. No, not the enemy controller, the jump scare. If you already have like a pre-made jump scare, that'll be good. Just drag in the jump scare right here. Put the duration at anything. This is it isn't really optional, but you can add it if you want. Make sure it's at 3D. Scale this down to whatever you like. I'm just gonna do this much. cool thing I would do is make the audio source and like the chase speed the same. It's like whenever you hear it, it starts chasing after you. Just drag whatever on. Enable this, enable this. I prefer putting the volume down a little bit. Make sure you put on linear roll off. Oh yeah, if you want it to be server sided, do photon view, reliable data compressed, takeover, and transform view. Put the scale on. You also need to make 2 layers. One will be called Timmy, and the other will be Timmy Stopper. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Physics, and on the Timmy Stopper, just disable everything except for these 2 right here. So you go. Make sure you put this on Timmy, and that should be it for the monster. Just name it anything. Drag your monster out, size it up to whatever. I'll just do this size. Prefab, unpack completely. Go to level, forest. You don't have to do this. Wait. One sec. Oh, there you go. But yeah, you don't have to do this. But right click, create empty, forest, monsters, and drag that up. Then put your monster in it. Also, go to your gorilla player. Wait, no, not gorilla player. Actual gorilla. And put it as player. So the monster actually like chases it. So you can also put this on. Just makes it so it can move around. I also put that in. Now go in play mode. This may take a while depending on like all your stuff. But I haven't done this in like a while, so yeah. Let's just wait. I'll cut this part out. But yeah, my game Dreadroot will be out on itch.io. It won't be on Playfab. No, not Playfab, thingy. What is it called? AppLab. It won't be on AppLab. So this is what my old game used to look like. Don't mind these. It's just the original spawn. This was where the moderators would have been. I tried to revamp it, it looked very shit. Volcano was ass, this was ass. It's just meant to go to another map. But now that you've loaded in, make sure you actually go into a lobby. So go back to scene. Just join code 1. There you go. Close all these. Oh yeah, go to your main camera, culling mast, Timmy. Go to your controllers, put these at 0. Now, let's go over to the monster. Yep. Very scary. I actually just got jump scared in real life. Let me just disable that. Should kick you. I don't. It just like it just felt the map. But yeah, if you set it up properly, it'll work, so... You'll get kicked eventually. But yeah, that's a tutorial on how to add monsters. I'll add a tutorial on how to make a jump scare. So, bye bye.